Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about minimum and maximum quantity logic. So our motto is to do that when we click on plus, that minimum it should take 3 quantity and maximum it should go till 10 and it should not take more than 10 quantity, and minimum it has to take only 3 and it should not go less than 3. So this we will be implementing. Now here it is default because it has been hard coded. So we can see here value is 0. So let me go to my component.ts here first. Let me use count, that is number equals to let me keep 10 and check first, and we'll use the count here instead of this 0. We can see here 10 has come, but we no need 10 because we need by default that is 0. So I'll be keeping this as 0 only. So we need two functions, one is increase and one is decrease. Increase and another one is decrease. We'll use this function on click event. So going to HTML here. Okay, this is minus. In this I'll keep a click event. And I'll be using decrease. Same click event I will be using on this plus symbol, that is click equals to increase. So in this function we will be writing the logic. So I'll increase and check first. This dot count equals to this dot count plus 1. Let me check. Yes, we can see value has been updating now. Let me check for this decrease. This dot count equals to this dot count minus 1. We can see minus also is working. So this all minus values should not come actually. So this all will be taken care of now. Now first I'll implement a minimum quantity. When I press on plus, it should come minimum 3 and it should not go more than 10. That I'll implement now and show to you. Let me use if condition first. If this dot count is less than 3, that means it should not go less than 3, then this dot count equals to this dot count plus 3. Let me check now. So we can see when I press on plus, it's taking minimum 3. So after 3 it should take 1, that I'll implement now. That I'll put in else. Else only 1 should increment. This dot count equals to this dot count plus 1. Let me check now. First it is coming 3, after that it's taking only 1, we can see. Now the thing is, it should not take more than 10. It's taking more than 10. That I'll do now. Let me take another if. For more than 10. If this dot count is greater than 10, then it should stop till 10 only. This dot count equals to this dot count equals to 10. Okay, let me check. Minimum it's taking 3, after 3 it's taking 1, 1, 1, and we can see it's not going more than 10. So this has been working now. Now we can see when we decrement here after 3 it should come 0, but it's coming 2, 1, and another problem is it's going to the negative part as well. So I will be working on this now. Let me go to decrease function. This I'll remove. Sorry, this I have to keep because on click it should decrement 1. This dot count equals to this dot count minus 1. Let me take if this dot count is less than 3, then it should be 0. So this dot count equals to this dot count equals to 0. So this ensures that when it is less than 3 it will be 0, and it will be 0 itself. It can't go below 0 like negative values. Let me check now. So now it's 4, 3, we can see 0 is coming. After 0 negative value is not coming. So our minimum and maximum quantity logic has been implemented. So now next thing is we'll be using ngIf to show that minimum quantity has been reached, maximum quantity has been reached. So let's do it using ngIf. So I'll be taking two things here in component.ts. I'll go at the top. Here I'll do maximum equals to false. Both I'll keep false. Minimum equals to false, because by default it should not show. So I'll go here. Let me take a p tag, and here I'll write maximum quantity only 10 can be brought, and another p tag I'll take. Minimum quantity you must buy minimum 3 quantity. You must buy minimum 3 quantity. Let it be in red. So I'll be using here style equals to color right here as well. I'll copy this and let me check now. We can see both the statement has come, but we have to use on condition. So now on default I have kept false, so on default I should hide it. So to hide it I'll use ng if. Here I'll use ng if equals to maximum, and here I'll be using same ng if equals to minimum. So this will get hidden because it is false. Now we have to do true where it is needed. So let's do. I'll go to my app.component.ts, come down. When quantity goes more than 10, I have to show one message, that is for the maximum. This dot maximum I'll keep true. And maximum alert is this. Maximum quantity 10 can be brought. Let me check now. We can see this alert is coming. Now the thing is, when I down the quantity, this message is not going. This I have to fix as well. Let me go back, go to component.ts. So when I decrease the quantity, I have to hide it. So I'll be writing this dot maximum equals to false. So here we can see maximum quantity 10 can be brought. When I down the quantity, the error has been gone. So when I go less than 0, I need that message, another one, that is you must buy 3 quantity. Let me put that. So when quantity is less than 3, the minimum message should be displayed. So this dot minimum equals to true. Let me check now. So when I click here, we can see minimum quantity 3 is coming. When I click on minus, it's showing that you must buy minimum 3 quantity. And when I click on again plus, this problem is there. So this message is not going. We can see. So this I have to fix. I'll refresh and show the problem once again. When I click on plus, 3 is coming. Everything is incrementing. When I press on minus and press on here again, this message is coming that you must buy 3 quantity. When I press again plus, so this message is not going. So this I have to fix. Again I have to go to here, increase. Here I'll be writing this dot minimum equals to false. Let me check. When I press on plus, 3 is coming. We can see now 0 is coming on that you must buy minimum 3 quantity. When I press on plus, again this error is going. So our complete project is working. You can see maximum 10 can be brought. Again when I press on minus, again that error goes. So this is working. Thanks for watching this video.